Hi, today I'm front of me Motorola Moto G53 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So to do that, we should first open the Play Store, because we should get the application from the Play Store, because unfortunately we have now installed by default the always on display option on our device. That's why in the search pool we should enter the Muviz Edge. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click to draw our apps and tap to Muviz Edge application. Here click to this switcher, go back to the application, tap to AD and select one from these available tabs. Click to apply. Now just let's lock the device to check, and we can see that the always on display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.